Hi you guys, so today we're going to be doing Venus McFlytrap. So we're going in with a little bit of a different vibe today, going in with our classic square, but we do have a stiletto nail on the ring finger. And if you see those little sticky tabs at the bottom, I'll just taking notes because I didn't want too much of a similar vibe next to like I didn't want two green nails next to each other, just organizing the set. So what you see me doing right now, I'm just going in with all my bases, and then I'm going to go in with the designs after. But I just want to make sure all my bases were covered. And for my stiletto nails, they were a bit more intricate. They contain more 3D elements, so I did a white base for one, and then I'm going in with a jelly green chrome cat eye base. So now that I have all my bases done, I'm going to go in with the pinky nail, which is just a simple pink base with a green cheetah print on top. Came out really cute. Pretty self-explanatory though, so I'm not going to spend too much time explaining this one. And now we're moving on to one of the middle fingers. So this one was really fun. I was literally just doodling a little bit of this, a little bit of that, nothing too uniform. This was modeled after Venus's shirt that she wears under her jean vest. Hold on. I just thought of Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj in Safari. Okay, hold on, sorry.
I don't know what you're talking about, but every woman in here is gonna like that. Please, you wore a jean vest.
And I'm really just doodling. But right now, I'm just drawing a cute little Monster High skelet. I'm going to put a picture of her shirt so you can see what the vibe that I was going for. But I just wanted to replicate her shirt as closely as possible. And then put the Eco Punk lettering on top. But I wanted to make that a 3D element. I know early in the video you saw me go in with pink airbrush, but I was like, wait, no, green was what I was going for, so I had to change that. And I'm just working on my line work for this this nail. It's gonna be gold, so I just went in with the black base so I can just put the chrome powder on top. And then on top of this, I'm gonna do some outlines in gold as well, and then some 3D flowers on the top. And for this pointer finger, I'm going to go in with a green French tip with zebra print on top and a 3D flower on top of that. But I kind of changed my mind on what shade of green I wanted. And I wanted to go in with this lighter. I think it's called matcha green. And here I'm going in on top of my chrome cat eye base for the other ring finger. And if you watch my Cleo video, this is really similar to one of the nails I did for her. You're just going to go in with your droplets of 3D gel, put some flakes in it, and then go over with some more 3D gel. Hang it upside down for a few, spread it out, make sure it's even. And then I'm going to go around these little droplets with a black base so I can put a gold chrome on top. Outline that with more gold, just so it can have like more detail. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to put some I don't know what they're called. They look like little beads. They're like jelly beads in the color pink. And this nail is finished. Back to our little doodle nail. So this is me after I finished all the designs, and now I'm going in with some matte top coat. And here I'm taking my little letter stencil that I got off Shein, so I can put the Eco Punk decal on top of the nail to match her shirt. I know on her shirt it's a bit different, but I just wanted to put it. I still wanted to include it, and I love how sharp and clean these letters came out, and this nail is definitely my favorite. Alright, y'all, so while we were away, I did a little bit of work to myself, because sometimes I just want to do the nails and not record. So I just put water decals on the nail. Beautiful, beautiful, very cute. Little baby Venuses. But you know what is so funny? Sister, where are your clothes? I don't know who made this art of Venus, but y'all are freaked out, okay? Y'all are nasty. I'm just kidding. Adding these flowers to the nails because I want a flower on this one, I think that, and this one, these three. Okay, we're gonna do flowers on those, and then I want some animal print and a big star on this one. I think I want to put Venus's name on this one, and then we about to be done. And as we are finishing up this video, I just want to say thank you all for watching. Always, and thank you for 600 subscribers. What? Like, that's so cool. And yeah, so thank you guys for continuously tuning in, and I really appreciate it. And I really enjoy making these videos for you all. So, oh yeah, and next is Operetta, and then after that it's Abby. Not me telling you all the tea, but yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.